Hi, this is Ami Meishlesh. I'm the designer of LifeGuide. However, I'm not the only one here. We have a team of professionals here to assist you. So please don't hesitate to give us a shout on our toll-free number if you have any questions or you have any suggestions or comments to make. We look forward to hearing from you. I'll proceed now to look at how ratings are handled within LifeGuide. And I should make one comment to start with, and that is that ratings are normally applied to the regular or standard ratings as opposed to preferred or elite ratings. So in order to arrive at the ratings, please quote on regular for the risk. Okay, let's proceed on these demographics of a 35-year-old male who is a non-smoker, regular, for 20-year term, and let's proceed at 500,000. So let's quote single life, single insured. We'll use the defaults here, leaving decreasing term out, and we have our quote. Now, to proceed to apply ratings, we would employ the fourth icon from the right. Looks like a wrench, to adjust the ratings. So let's click on that, and our function for ratings appears. Now, ratings can be applied in different ways. One of the ways to do that would of course be by upping the insurance age by so many years over the actual insurance age. So that would be done through here by adding a year or 2 years or 3 years to the insurance age, or 4 years, or what have you. Let's leave that at 0. Another way to do that would be to apply a flat per 1,000 or per 100 rating. For example, a $7.50 rating per 1,000 flat extra, and to apply that for a certain period of time or for life. Another way to do that would be, and that's the most common, would be to apply a percentage. Now, not all companies use the same percentage, but the general rule of thumb is that they use what is called tables. Table A representing, generally speaking, a 25% surcharge, Table B being a 50% surcharge, Table C being a 75% surcharge, and Table D being a 100% surcharge, or double the rate per 1,000. Now, the rating can be applied for a certain number of years or for life. So if it's for a certain number of years, we would indicate the number of years here. If it's for life, we'll just check off this box here. Let's say we're going to go for Table B, and let's assume that it's a 50% surcharge, so we'll put the 50% in here, and then we can choose how the calculation is done. Most often it's done by premium, then adding the surcharge, which in this case is 50% to the premium, and then at the end of the day adding the policy fee, which is not surcharged. So let's use that formula. We have other choices here too. Premium plus a flat fee plus a percentage applied to the flat fee, and so forth. Okay, so let's use the standard way here. Premium plus a percentage plus the policy fee. So we'll click on OK, and we have the 50% surcharge, or Table B surcharge, applied. Now, a word of caution here. Not all companies would apply the same surcharge, and on occasion you may find that one company will apply a surcharge, otherwise known as a rating, whereas other companies may not. Regardless, this is how you would do it, and Please go ahead and use it. If you have any questions, any suggestions, please don't hesitate to give us a shout or to drop us a line. We're here to assist you, and thank you very much for subscribing to LifeGuide. By the way, the date of this tutorial is June 25th, 2020, and the figures that are shown for the original quote before the rating are valid as of today, may not be valid at the time that you view this tutorial. Thank you, and come back again. Cheers.